Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I'm going to be making a garland today. I got these stars from Hobby Lobby. I got the little lighthouse lanterns at Walmart's, and I got the ribbon at Hobby Lobby for half price. I'm using the rope, the jute rope that I already had. I think I got that jute rope from Ross, and it was a lot of jute rope for cheap. And the cat's crying, so I'm going to take the ribbon and I'm cutting it in pieces, probably about 4 inches. And I'm just going to tie it on the rope. I'm sort of alternating the star, the lantern, the ribbon, and the little tags from Walmart. Walmart had the cutest tags this year. Oh my goodness. They were some of the best that I've seen. I had the little gnomes. You can see them over there in front of the ribbon, but I was going for sort of a farmhouse look on this garland. So I decided to stick with the stars and the lanterns and the little tags. Easy to do, quick and easy. I probably will always make my garlands. Decided to add some of the lace ones from Dollar Tree just to give it some flair. Decided to take the ribbon that was on the little tags from Walmart and use the little black and white cords that I had from Dollar Tree. I thought it just looked better. I used the red and white with the bells. That's right, I added bells too. Sorry, added bells. Anyway, this came out so cute. I was really loving it. Like I said, easy peasy and just really cute. Then I decided to add in some black and white from a scarf that I got at Dollar Tree. So actually, I think as I went along, I just kept adding more things. But it was the little scarves that they have. I cut those in little strips, and that gave it a little more texture, which I thought was really cool. I did the red scarf too. So there's quite a few things going on there. So I have the stars, the bells, the lanterns, and the little gift tags from Walmart. And then from Dollar Tree I have the two different ribbons, which was the scarf ones. And from Hobby Lobby I have the red and white checkered. Oh, wait a second. I took the red and white checkered off. Sorry. I took the red and white checkered off, and that's what I replaced it with, the scarf material, because it just looked too thin. You'll see in the end when I show you the whole garland. Sorry, I'm sometimes brain's just not working as I'm doing this voiceover, looking at all of this stuff. I'm like, okay, Joni, let's get it together. And there you have it. It turned out so pretty. I love it. So glad I took the red and black checkers off because it was really thin. This just made it look so much nicer. I decided to glue them on so they don't move around. So I'm just going through and gluing the tags. Little ribbons you don't have to because you tie them on. Gluing the bell on because it moves around. I didn't have to do the stars because they were made with wire, so I just pinched the wire together so they all stay in the same place. I'm definitely going to make many more next year. I can't wait. Because these were easy. And there's just so many things that you can do with the garlands. I think a bead one would be pretty too, to put all the little items in between the beads. That would be pretty too. I might try that next year. This is just so stinking cute. I loved it, loved it, loved it, loved it. I wish I had time to make more. I'd give them away. They made me very happy. That's why it's a Merry Christmas. This is a charger plate from Dollar Tree. I didn't paint it or anything. I left it like it was. I just took the Dollar Tree ornaments, glued them all the way around, used a Believe ornament from Dollar Tree, and now I'm going to use Dollar Tree Floral to fill in where all the little places where you would put your hooks on so that you don't see them. So I'm gluing them in there so you don't see them. Burning my finger, ouch. There you go, filled it in. And now I'm gonna put an ornament that, well, it was a pick actually, a pick that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna stick that in there. And there you have it. I'm going to put a little hook on the back of it. I'm giving this away, so I don't know if somebody would want to hang it, or I made some last year and people use them as on their tables. So I guess if you put a hook on the back, they can do either or. So I'm just going to glue these with a glue gun. And then I'm going to put some duct tape over it, make sure it holds. And there it is. I think it turned out beautiful. I love it. I would keep it for myself, but I'm giving it to my girlfriend. All right, the next is a pizza pan and a pie pan and a different type of pie pan from Dollar Tree. I took one of the candlesticks and I painted all of this with a metallic silver paint. I'm going to use E6000 to glue. Now I'm making this into a 4-tier. I don't know if that was a smart idea, but I did. So I'm going to have to rethink it the next time I do these. I can never get the center right either, no matter how hard I try. It's hard, guys. It really is. I mean, you start looking at this stuff, it looks the same, and then after you've got it all set up and everything, it looks a little lopsided. So I'm like, whoa, really? Yeah. So sometimes I'll put a little pencil mark, and then you can't really see the pencil mark as you're trying to put it over there. So, and I think once you put stuff on it, you can't tell as much. But these are hard for me because I can never seem to get it totally right. But I love them. I love them as gifts. I fill them up with things and hand them over to people with them filled. And I wanted to do a 4-tier one. You know, I did a plastic clear one that I really liked a lot. I have it in my other room. And see, this is a little bit harder because I'm going to have to put some E6000 and some glue from the glue gun. But see, they're metal, so they bend a little. So you'll see it looks crooked sometimes when you, depending on which side it's on. But I have it in my other room, totally completed, and it doesn't look crooked. So I think it just depends on what's in it, what side you use, but you'll see in a minute how it seems to turn a little bit. And that's okay, because you can fix it afterwards. I wanted it to dry first, so I didn't want to mess with it a lot. See, I'm trying to get it straight, but I'm telling you what. See, it was straight for a minute, but if you turn it around, it's going to be even on another side. So even though I'm going to try to fill it. If I turn that around, you won't see that tilt right there. So bear with me. It's always something when you're doing a craft. Nobody ever says it's going to be perfect. Okay, I got these cute little reindeers at Dollar Tree. I only had 2 left, so that's all I got. Got a little star. Trying to do it all silver and maybe some white. Little succulent, little pine cone, another little deer. He's gonna have to go on the bottom. I hope I turn this thing around because it does look tilted, but like I said, I have it in my other room and it doesn't look tilted. So bear with me, please. It's not that bad. I would just turn it around. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Keep smiling and always be kind.